all, my name is Maurice Buckley. I'm a comic artist and educator. I've been teaching about art for about 6 years now. And in today's topic, we're going to talk a little bit about the art of failure. Learning a new thing is always scary. No matter how much I tell my students about patience and persistence, I find myself increasingly frustrated with a certain panel or a pose or something. It happens to the best of us. I fill myself with a lot of perfectionist nonsense and all this other stuff that doesn't really help me get along. But this phase is incredibly important. You certainly shouldn't shy away from it. Here's an example of something I always struggle drawing: cars. Look how many times I've failed or just made a really bad drawing. What I like to tell students is think about how many times they fell when they were just learning how to walk. Thousands upon hundreds, but you got right back up, right? That's learning a new skill. That's learning a new technique. Sometimes I take notes, sometimes I copy, and yes, I even trace when it comes down to it. I do whatever I have to do to learn that new skill or technique. But before going in blindly, I do suggest using a learning strategy. There are two strategies that come to mind. Some of these might be the most popular ones I've heard of. The 1,000-hour strategy and the 100-something strategy. The first strategy is a 1,000-hour strategy. I'm sure you've heard that one before. It's literally dumping 1,000 hours into learning that new skill. The second strategy is a 100-something strategy. That's literally drawing that thing or doing that thing 100 times. Pick which one works best for you. When you felt you've mastered those skills, test your knowledge. Try a different angle, try different coloring strategies, try different lighting effects. See if you really know what you're studying. I know with social media, a lot of times we see a lot of people's highlights reel. We don't get to see the sketchbooks, the struggles, the bad drawing, the scratching out. That's the art you don't see, and that is the most important part of learning a new skill. Go out there and make bad drawings to eventually get better and better. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for every time I upload. Also, if you'd like to further support me, please head to my Patreon. Thank you.